Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy eye look with Kaleido Cosmetics Crazy Foils eyeshadow. So if you want to see how to get this look, stay tuned and we'll get right to it. Okay, so I already have my eye primer on, I have my base makeup on, I used Smashbox pore minimizing primer. I used Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I used Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and my lippy is from ColourPop. It's in the Sew Into You bundle, I think. It's the satin. And then for eye primer I used Milani, and I have my Anastasia brow pencil on my eyebrows. So anyways, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to dip into my Wet n Wild palette. This is called Sweet as Candy, and there's 4 shades in it, and we're going to be using this shade, which is the brow bone shade, and this shade, which is marked as the transition shade. We're going to be using those 2 out of this palette, and then we're going to move to the Kaleido palette. So first things first, I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip into this brow bone color, and I'm going to use this all over the lid to set the lid. Okay, so we've got that on both eyes. Now I'm going to take my next fluffy brush. This one's from BH Cosmetics. It's a number 6 brush. And I'm going to go into the transition shade here. Tap off the excess. I'm going to put that just above my crease. And work that back and forth. I'm using circular motions and windshield wiper. Get this all blended out. We don't want any harsh lines. Okay, now I'm going to take my fluffy brush again, and I'm going to just run over the edges real quick just to make sure everything's nice and soft. Okay, and now that we're sure that we don't have any harsh edges or anything like that, we can move on to the featured eyeshadow, which is the Crazy Foils from Kaleido Cosmetics. They are $7, and they're available at KaleidoCosmetics.com. There's 2 colors in here. This is the shade Life Goals, and so we have kind of a blue and kind of a gold. Gold, well, it's more of a bronze, really, huh? So we have a blue and a bronze in here. We're going to take the bronze shade, and we're going to use a e.l.f. Professionals eyeshadow brush. It's a flat brush, and we're going to see how this packs on with just a brush. We're going to do the outer third of the eye. Ooh. And bring it up to the crease a bit. And part way across. That is some crazy pigmented shadow. Look at that, guys. It just packed right on there. My brush isn't even wet or anything. We're going to do the other side. Okay, so now that we have that on, we're going to take the blue shade and another brush. I have 2 of these little boogers. And we're going to pack this on in the inner 2/3. It actually goes on really nicely with a brush. Okay, I'm going to do this rest of this with my finger. I pack it on the center with my finger. Make sure it's all blended into that bronze shade. patting a little on there. Okay, same brush. I'm going to take the shade that we used for transition shade right here, and I'm going to run this under my lower lash line. All the way over. Okay. And with a flat liner brush, I'm going to take this really dark brown. That's for the, it's marked for the crease in the palette, but I'm going to take this really dark brown and I'm going to run it right along the lash line. Just kind of stamp it in there. Part way across. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this stuff out along the crease, make sure there's no harsh lines. And that's our eyeshadow. I'm going to take my mascara and get my eyelashes done and put my falsies on, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm back. I have my lashes on. I'm good to go. Now then, I already have my bronzer on, so I need to put my blush on, and I'm going to use another product from Kaleido Cosmetics. This is their skin blush, and it's kind of a peachy shade, and it's called Prom Queen. I'm just going to put this on my blush brush and work that back. Alrighty, and let's see, where's my highlighter? Here we go. And I'm going to do my highlighter. I'm using Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. If I can get it open. I'm going to take just a little bit of this highlighter and put it on my brow bone, just right up near the center. There we go. And I'm going to pop a little bit into the corners with the flat concealer brush. Alrighty, and there's our finished look. All glowy, very glowy. Thank you for tuning in, and again, Crazy Foils eyeshadow is available on the KaleidoCosmetics.com website. $7 for the duo. I think they're very blendable, very pigmented, awesome product. There was no fallout under here, which is crazy because I didn't even wet my brush. So yeah, Crazy Foils is an apt name. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure you click the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so that you're notified of all my uploads, and I'll see you again. Bye!